recipes. With very few ingredients, today I'm going to make one of my family's favorite dish. It's very easy, quick, as well as extremely healthy and nutritious. The end product is mouth-watering. So let's get started. I took 250 grams of paneer, 100 grams of green bell pepper, 100 grams of yellow paprika, 100 grams of red paprika, 100 grams of onion. It's completely optional. If you don't eat onions, you can omit it. Half a cup of curds, 1/3 cup of milk, and about half a cup of water that I'll beat. For the spices, I took Nigella seeds, 3/4 teaspoons, curry powder, half a teaspoon or garam masala powder, turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon, coriander, 1 teaspoon, chili flakes, half a teaspoon, salt, 3/4 teaspoon. Actually, salt and chili flakes you should take according to your taste. Dice the vegetables into cubes. Place an empty thick pan on high flame for about a minute. And in the meantime, in half a cup of curds, mix all the dry spices except Nigella seeds and keep aside. In about a minute, the pan is well heated, add Nigella seeds. When they start splattering, lower the heat, add all the vegetables and onions. Add half a cup of water. Mix and put the lid on and keep on the medium flame for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, open the lid and add the curds mixture. Mix well. Then add paneer. Mix. Cover for about 1.5 to 2 minutes again. Take off the lid. Pour the milk. Mix. And cover for about 2 minutes. Take off the lid. Mix well. Paneer is ready to pan out and garnish with fresh coriander or green chilies, or if you like pepper, you can always sprinkle on top. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.